Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take the chat output from NotebookLM and save it as a note. So once I've asked NotebookLM something in the prompt and it's given me a response, another thing I can do with the response is to save it as a note or save to note. And what that's going to do is if you look on the right, there's all these different things you can create with the studio, but the things you create using the studio become artifacts or notes. And notes is just sort of a textual description of something you want to be able to refer to later. You may want to use it as source material for future chats. You might not. Uh, but if you want to add a note, you can do that. Click on this, and then you can type in, whatever you want. You can format it a bit. So if I want to, I can save this response as a note. Now it shows up. And then I have the option to convert this to a source, which would then add this note on the left, and it would use that in the future when it responds to other prompts if I have that source selected. I can also ask it to convert all of the notes to a source. So if there's a bunch of different notes over here, it will make all of them source material. Or I can delete it. I'm going to delete it because I don't want it there. And then this one I'm going to delete as well. But you can actually take the responses that you get from the chat and then return that into source material if you want and it's important and you want it to use that. Or you can just leave it as a little text note to the side that you can refer to later. Either way. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.